Alright, welcome back to another video with ENGR struggle. So this one is a little tougher. I did chat this one too, but you need to understand it a little bit before chatting it. So what it's asking us is to determine the minimum volume of the concrete cylinder, which is this one. So that is with respect to the viscosity of the water. I think that was my thought plan, but it is a bit more simpler than that. So first let's start with the given, which let me see, which we have gamma water, and well, just the gamma by itself, and then this is the key problem that you will probably miss over here and over here. So just know that L is equals to 2 meters, and then just plug it in into the 1/2 times the L. I don't know what that is, and you'll get let's see, for that you will get 1, and I just ignored that, 1/4. But yeah, so first you're going to start with the area, which is going to be base times height, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then if you remember the FR, the force reaction, that would be with respects to gravity, which is 9.81. I shouldn't tell you that, but by this point, if you don't know what that means, just drop out of engineering. So that's going to be that, and then we have the 1 meter, which is adding about here, or I'm not sure if that's going to be a half or a meter, so then don't take my word on it. And then we have the 2 meters, which is this part. That's right after you plug in the 2, like right here. And then you're gonna have the vice of CP, which is equals to 2/3, and then you're gonna plug in the 2 meter here, bada boom, bada bing, and then you're gonna go ahead and subtract that from that, and you're gonna get that one, and then you're gonna calculate the tension of the cable. So basically this one over here. And then for T's, actually that's this one, I think. Yeah, that's this one. And then you're gonna have the T's of 2, which is equals to F of R, force reaction, times this one. And you're going to plug everything in, and then you're going to find the tension, which is 6.54 kilonewton. And then once you find the tension, you want to find the other tension on the other cable, which for this you can go ahead and manipulate the formula and get it equals to gamma and the weight times the volume. I think this should be volume. And you're going to drive it into this formula. If you don't know how to, just drop out of engineering. But I did that somehow. I don't know. I think I chatted most of these. But so for this is just a plug and chug. Just go ahead and plug everything in and chug it, and then you'll get something like this. And after that, you would have volume, which is equals to I believe it's T over, actually it's T over let me see. All right. Okay, it's T over, I think that gamma water. Yeah, it could be that, I'm not sure, but just go ahead and chat it, and then you would just go ahead and solve for it and then get this. All right.